firebrand politician Temba Mliswa and the controversial businessman Wikino Chivayo have become embroiled in a fierce public confrontation over the distribution of gifts linked to supporters of the ED2030 campaign, with Mliswa taking what many observers see as an ethical stance on party discipline, transparency, and institutional processes. Zarabla Mashkomdani Vachinzi, Mliswa Coast Chivayo order, football subscribe or like on the bell icon. The dispute erupted after Mliswa questioned the wrong practice of distributing expensive vehicles and other gifts to selected politicians, social media personalities, celebrities, and public figures in the name of supporting President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership agenda beyond 2030, while making it clear that he remains a supporter of President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the broader political project associated with the ED2030 campaign. Mliswa argued that donations intended to advance party objectives should be channeled through recognized party structures rather than through individuals. According to Mliswa, the selective distribution of gifts risks creating divisions within ZANU-PF, fostering perceptions of patronage and undermining organizational unity. His comments were widely interpreted as a direct criticism of Chivayo, who has become known for highly public donations of vehicles, cash, and other gifts to musicians, church leaders, media personalities, and political activists. Mliswa's intervention is particularly significant given his long-standing association with the businessman Dr. Tagore, one of the most influential figures within President Mnangagwa's political and business networks. During the 2018 elections in Norton, Tagore openly backed Mliswa's campaign against then ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa. The support cemented perceptions that Mliswa was closely aligned with the Mnangagwa-Tagore camp. For now, the public clash between Mliswa and Chivayo has exposed emerging fault lines within a political camp that has largely presented a united front, with many watching closely to see whether the controversy will prompt a broader debate on ethics, accountability, and the proper channels for political support. Toma developments are kudapangwa ino. Vina comment section videos of Guru Edmond Kulipa Mzuru Vijit Coach. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.